Alright guys, I am here today to show you how I implemented this awesome Mermaid Squad Rhinestone design. I'm going to put it on a t-shirt. First thing I'm going to go ahead and do is open my Mermaid Squad Design in Silhouette Studio. This is just one that I have chose from our squad pack. It's my favorite. I think it's super pretty. Now I'm gonna also ungroup the design. This allows me to move my template and position it on the cutting mat where I want to go ahead and have it. After I do that, I'm going to send it to my cutter, or prepare to send it to my cutter. Make sure all the cut settings are correct. I want to also load my magic flock into my cutter. Just going to check to make sure that the blade depth is correct for this type of material. Again, the magic flock. I always like to do a test cut. I mean, if you don't have to, that's fine. I just always like to make sure before I cut a big project like this that I'm going to get the correct cut, because if you don't, you're going to have to redo the whole thing. After you do your test cut and you ensure that the cut is perfect the way you want it, go ahead and send this design to your cutter. After that's done, of course, comes the fun part. We're gonna weed this magic flock. Should just come up super easy. And there we have it. That's one piece. Alright, so after I cut both my templates, I lay down my chalkboard, just something that makes it kind of easier for me to brush the rhinestones in. Today I'm going to be using SS10 AB Crystal Hot Fix Stones and SS10 Tanzanite Hot Fix Rhinestones. It's kind of got like, they both got purple properties to them. They're really pretty when put together, and I think kind of give it that mermaid look. Now the hot fix transfer tape, I'm going to go ahead and lay over my first part of the design, the squad part. And then the second time, I'm going to go ahead and put these AB crystals on for the mermaid word in the tail. Make sure all the stones are in place and I'm not going to be missing one. Now that I've ensured that all my stones are in place, I'm going to also again lay the hot fix transfer tape over, completing the rhinestone design and getting it ready to go ahead and take to the heat press. To do that, I just kind of lay it on the backing of the hot fix transfer tape. It's a lot easier to carry it that way. First press I do is to take any wrinkles out of the shirt. Second press is to apply the rhinestones to the shirt. And here is your completed Mermazing t-shirt. Thanks for watching.